Hello, my name is Lady Joana Hoyos Gonzalez. I am 22 years old. I am from Colombia, Tuluá. Stage 1. Last vacation I went camping in a town far from my city. I stayed there for a week and went with my daughter. I liked it because it was a new experience and I only paid 800,000. For example, on Monday we went to a campfire, Tuesday an elegant meal, and Wednesday we went to see a museum. On Thursday we got on a yacht and to which different they were games every day, and I liked that a lot. We come back Monday, August 12, because my daughter started studying the next day. Stage 2. Recommendation. It is recommended that people enjoy their tourists, places like rivers and waterfalls. I recommend this place given a buy rate for its different sport routes. The attraction on this place are its free recreational areas. I recommend this place to party on a Saturday night for its good atmosphere. In the evening between weeks they have some very good coffees spoken until the wee hours with fun board game. When visit Tuluá, we can see that the Tuluá trade is very varied, beautiful, and economical. If we walk its streets, we can also contemplate the three rivers within the city. Back in Tuluá, you can find very handsome women and men. Stage 3. To travel, we should organize a whole day before. When we go on a trip, we should leave the address of the place where we are going to stay with someone we trust. To go on a trip, the first thing I do and recommend is that we should reserve the place to stay before. When we go on a trip, we should not carry our luggage. When traveling, you should not go without identity documents. When traveling, we should not leave without a first aid kit. Thank you.